Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kim. I make weekly video about personal finance, investment tips, content creation, and entrepreneurship. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to buy and sell your very first stock or ETF on Robinhood platform. So this video will be broken down into 4 different parts. First one is how to actually open up your Robinhood account. Second is how to fund the Robinhood account with your checking account. Third is what to look for when you're buying a stock or ETF. And lastly is how to sell a stock or ETF. First of all, just a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, although I do work in financial services industry over the past 6 years. Remember, when it comes to investing, you can make a lot of money, but you can also lose money as well. With that out of the way, let's just go ahead and talk about why it is important to invest in stocks. Because as you know, most of the wealthiest people in the world, they own stocks. They own, real estate, they own life insurance, which is another video I'm planning to make later, is how to create generational wealth through life insurance. Stay tuned for that. But anyways, back to the wealthiest people in the world. Elon Musk, right? CEO of Tesla. On Monday, earlier this week, he became the 4th richest person in the world because Tesla stock surges like 11%. I know some of you, that's not your goal, but you do want to create extra stream of income through dividends paying stocks or dividend paying ETF. And for those of you who do not know what an ETF is, it's exchange traded fund. It's just a collection of different stocks in one, just a little bit safer if your risk tolerance is not that high. Now that you understand the importance of owning stocks or ETF, let's just go ahead and jump right in how to open up Robinhood account. All right, so first you need to download the Robinhood app. If you don't have a Robinhood account already, go ahead and check my referral link down in the description below. But if you already have friends who have Robinhood, you can ask them, and both of you will get 1 free stock that is worth up to $500. Like I said, if you use the referral link, it's another way to support my channel. So yeah, go ahead and download it, and I'm gonna go ahead and switch to the Robinhood app now. So after you click on the link, either in the video description for the free stock or the link from your friends or family who already has a Robinhood account, you'll be greeted with this page right here. You can actually get up to $200 plus worth of stock once you signed up and your account is accepted and you claim that free stock. After 3 days, you can sell that stock and you can buy a different stock, or you can just hold it, and after 30 days you can withdraw that and deposit back into your bank account. So that's free money, that's a free stock. Of course you can hold it if you like to, but it's just random. You can get different stocks like Visa, Microsoft, Johnson & Johnson. So go ahead and tap on claim your free stock now. It'll take you to this page. This is my account. It's already been set up. For you, you'll be greeted with a welcome page, and you can claim the free stock, or you can sign up. After you signed up, then you claim that free stock. But this is not a setup video. If you need help setting up Robinhood account, you can go ahead and YouTube that. But it's pretty self-explanatory, very simple to sign up. Once you're signed up, go ahead and tap on the person icon right here. It'll take you to your account. Go ahead and click on the menu up right. Of course, before you invest and buy any stocks, you got to transfer money in. So go ahead and go to the transfer right here, and you'll see that you can transfer to Robinhood. But first, most likely you don't have any bank account yet, so you go to the link account and add account. From this point on, you'll be greeted here. It uses Plate. I guess that's another third-party service to verify and to better encrypt your data. Go ahead and click continue. Here you'll be greeted with different banks, and click on your bank that you have. If you don't see your bank, don't worry, just scroll down. You can just search and type in your bank and then log in. You have to put in your username and password. Once it's linked, and you go back here, and now you can finally transfer your money into Robinhood. So go to the menu, tap transfer to Robinhood, and you can see which bank you have. You can add multiple banks account, but go ahead and type in, let's just say you want to transfer $250 in. I'm gonna go ahead and do this, submit. It says that the account will deduct from your bank account within the next several days. For me, usually it would draft from my bank account within the next business day. And as you can see here, deposit is initiated, and your deposit will be completed roughly about 6 days after it is initiated. Continue. Now, the cool thing about Robinhood is that they give you instant buying power. So if you have a regular account, you get up to $1,000 of buying power. Go ahead and click done. You can see the account is reflected right away. On your main page, you'll see that you have $250 or whatever amount that you deposit. But yeah, anyways, once you're deposited, you can have you have the option to buy any stocks right away. And that's conclude the first part, which is how to fund your account. Okay, so now that your account is funded, you can start shopping. So you should see the amount that you deposit into this account. Again, for me, I already have money in here, so that's why you see this amount. But you can go ahead and start searching. So this part of the video, I'm going to show you what I look for before I buy a stock. So let's go ahead and go to the search, and let's just type in Tesla, because Tesla is on fire right now. For Tesla, I got in at about 16.32. I only have 0.5 share. I'm probably gonna buy another half a share before the stock split. If you want to learn more about Tesla's stock split or Apple's stock split, go ahead and check out my other video. But in this example, I would look for the 5-year. That's the first thing I look, is to see if the company is trending up. So to see if the company is growing or not. Or you can take a look at the 1-year graph, 1-month graph, and 1-day graph. So Tesla is on fire. It's about to hit $2,000 per share, guys. Alright guys, so as I'm recording this video, Tesla just crossed over $2,000 per share. That's ridiculous. Anyways, back to PE ratio. PE ratio is used to determine how a company is worth, if it's undervalued or overvalued. In this case, Tesla is super overvalued, but because I believe in the company, I think EV is the future. And if you're a long-term investor, definitely look into this company. But anyways, PE ratio, go ahead and YouTube it and learn more. Don't just use the PE ratio to buy a stock. Another thing I look for is the 52 weeks low and the 52-week high. And I just see, if the stock is trending up. And you can also, look at the news to see how his stock is performing. Also, another thing I look at is dividend yield. Certain stock has certain dividend yield, and yeah. So anyways, Tesla is kind of expensive, right? So let's take a look at another stock like NIO. It's another EV company. Again, the reason why I'm showing you this is to see the difference. And taking a look at this company, the last 5 years, this company also has gone up, but again, this is a little risky. They don't want to have PE ratio because NIO right now is currently still not profitable. They're still spending a lot of money. But anyways, let's just say you want to buy NIO because you heard a lot of great things and you don't want to miss out on this EV hype. So go ahead and tap on trade, and you can buy. On the top right, you can buy either number of shares. Let's say you buy 1 share, just put 1 and review. Let's swipe up to place the order, and this is considered a market buy. So whatever the price is, if the market is open, you'll buy at that price. But what I recommend you do is go ahead and put in a limit order. This is the amount of money you're willing to buy for the share of this company. So let's just say you don't want to spend more than $12 for NIO. So you put in $12 and continue. You can set the trading hours to execute on market hours between 6 a.m. to 1 p.m. This is Pacific Standard Time. And you can also set it to extend all the way to 3 p.m. And you can click continue. You can make it so that it will only execute that day. Or you can make it so that it will execute until it's canceled, and it could last up to 90 days. So from now till November 19th, it will execute once NEO drop to $12 per share. And continue. You can put the amount of share you want to buy. Go ahead and review, swipe up, and this will send in the order. Again, it won't execute until the price hit your threshold that you set. I'm not gonna do this because I have 100 shares of NEO already, and as you can see, NEO is doing pretty well. I'm up almost 170%, and that's it. That's how you buy a stock. Pretty simple, right? All right, last is how to sell a stock. Let's say you have a stock and it's not doing well, or you want to, take a profit on a certain stock. For example, I have Apple. Currently, Apple is trading at $7.40, and you want to sell it, you want to take profit, go ahead and tap on trade, sell. Again, you can do limit order, right? You can do limit sell. So this is the minimum price you'll sell Apple for. You can type in 480, right? Once Apple hit 480, it'll go ahead and execute the order. So you'll sell Apple or whatever stock that you own at that certain price. So go ahead and you can set it as market hours, you can set it as extended hours up to 3 p.m. Again, I'm in California, that's why you see 3 p.m. Continue. Again, just like buying, you can set it so that it's good for 90 days. So execute that order that you set, and then up to the next 90 day. And of course, when you set this, it doesn't mean that you're actually selling it. You can also cancel the order too, guys. So that's pretty much it. Again, just review, submit, and that's it. That's very simple. That's how you sell stock on Robinhood. I made the best investing strategy for beginners. Go ahead and check it here. But also, if you're new, I recommend doing a lot of research before you getting into anything. Also, what I recommend too is looking into ETF like VOO, because that's a very popular index traded fund. Even Warren Buffett, who is the most successful investor in the world, even recommend that to his family. So go ahead, look into that, and by using that strategy and investing into ETF will definitely reduce some risk when it comes to investing. And again, if you like my content and you want to support my channel, remember to drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel for more video like this. Alright guys, that's it, and you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.